Welcome to my vlog, guys. So, andito kami ngayon sa Marseille, France. Karating lang namin. At papunta na kami sa hotel. Ang dumi dito, guys. Marseille is dirty. It's very dirty, Marseille. Even the caca of the, you know, the dirt of the dogs are everywhere. Yeah. So, my son. Okay. Konting video lang, guys. Dahil I don't know where is. Oh, tacos! And yeah. Adventure. Sometimes we have to take rest. You know, mentally, physically, emotionally, we have to rest sometimes. So, grabe guys, marumi nga talaga dito. Okay na to, video ko. Bye bye! Please subscribe! Spark Eileen!